this Epic Ignite 4 showing you guys how to download music to your iPod via the use of iTunes. Now, first you need to have a jailbroken device. It doesn't really matter about the firmware. It pretty much works with all the firmware including iOS 5. So first thing you want to do is go to cydia. I believe recently they updated music to support iOS 5, so that is great. So once you on Cydia, you want to of course search music. Alright, and then when you search for it, there's gonna be a bunch of packages from different sources. It really doesn't matter from what source you get it from. Just pick any. Then you will want to download and install that. It's gonna ask you to restore your Springboard. So after you're done doing that, you want to go to music right over here. And then you want to hit on search. If you hold on the search tab over here, you can change your search engine so you can download from mp3score.com or Hype Machine. I just choose downloads. If they don't have the song, then you pick a different engine. So for example, let me just search for the Wanted. And after you finish typing down the song you want, just hit search. And then there'll be a whole list of search results. You double tap to listen to the track to see, if that's the song, of course, you want. So, oops. Let's try it again. Well, first what you do is you tap it, then you double tap it. Haven't used this for a long time, so some of it will come, into an error. Let's try the next one. And then you just shake it to stop playing. That's the song I want, so just tap it again. Then it will just download. So basically, through this application, you could transfer the actual music files to the actual music library into the iPod. Instead of non applications using this application just to store your music in, you can actually officially put it into your music library. So we have the use of iTunes also. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it'll take a while for this to finish. So this is for what that says right here, right there. So the resync tab, you can use that to resync all the songs you download. So let's say if you end up just deleting the songs by accident, or if you are in a room, just hit resync, and you can have all the songs resync to your iPod. Yeah, it is taking quite a while. I guess another minute or so it'll be finished. So let me just show you quickly. You search the MP3 score. You can search the same song. Pretty much same thing, just different search engine. Okay, let me see if it finishes. It's finishing right now, about so. Okay, finally, almost there. So, with this you can download a lot of songs, just transfer it. You don't need a license, so. Okay, so after that's done, finished downloading, there's a couple of options. You, tap on the song, you can add the tag, so you can add the name of the song and stuff, the track. Um, then save it. Then, right over here, you want to hit on add to iPod. Okay, so it says import successful. You can now listen to your downloaded songs in your music cloud. Okay. Now if I just hit on the music tab right here, or like music icon, I scroll all the way down to the wanted. Can't really find it, so I'm just gonna search for it. Okay, here's the song. And that's basically how you download music into your music library without the use of iTunes. So you can download music on the fly. That's pretty cool. Okay, so alright guys, if you like my video, please subscribe and comment down below. You can follow me on my trail right over there. And see you guys in the next video.